Welcome everyone to Physics 101. It's our very first online course at 5 Keys. My name is Miss Micah and I will be your instructor going through it. And I am really excited to have a chance to look with you at the basics of physics. The idea of this class is that it will get you set up. Well, first it will give you 1 unit of physics. It will also get you set up to be able to understand and work more easily through the rest of the physics curriculum at 5 Keys. So I am really excited that you are joining us here. We'll have 6 days like this. Each day you'll be watching some direct instruction videos by me, some videos that you'll find in Google Classroom from YouTube that will help explain the principles a little bit more clearly, and you'll be doing some activities and answering some questions. On day 6, there will be a unit assessment. Day 4 has a little quiz on it, a little review quiz. Day 6 will have the assessment and a class evaluation, and then you're done. That unit is yours, and you will have learned a whole lot, specifically about Newton's 3 laws of motion. That's going to be our main topic for these days. We're going to talk about Newton's 3 laws of motion and gravity. All right, let's get started. First, a little introduction to physics. And I want to begin my little introduction in a way that's not quite so sciencey. I've got some questions for you. So listen up so you can answer them in your head. Question number 1. Have you ever wondered, maybe lying in bed at one night or sitting outside looking up at the stars, what life is all about? Why you are here on this planet Earth? Have you thought about that? Have you thought about our Earth moving around the sun in the midst of a huge, huge, huge universe and wondered what's it all about? How it all works? Maybe you have. Question number 2. Have you ever wondered why the universe works the way it does? Why, if I drop this little apple, does it fall down as opposed to floating up? Now you super smart student might already know the word gravity. Gravity is the force pulling that apple down towards the earth. But why? Why isn't gravity a force that pushes the apple up? Have you ever wondered why, if you put your hand against a solid, it won't go through? However, if there was water in front of me and I put my hand in water, it goes right through. What's the difference between the wall and water? Why can my hand go through one and not the other? Or maybe you've wondered why roots grow down and tree trunks go up. All of that, my friends, all of that mysterious craziness about how things work in this universe, it all has to do with physics. How does it have to do with physics? Well, physics is humanity's attempt, one of our very best attempts, to figure out the answers to those big questions. And not only figure out the answers, but take those really complex, sometimes convoluted things and break them down into simple theories and principles and laws, even mathematical formulas. So that what in the beginning feels like just this weird, huge question, like why the Earth orbits around the sun. We know it does, but why? In the end, can be broken down into some pretty basic, fundamental ideas that can even be calculated through a math formula. Pretty amazing, right? That's what we're going to be doing together. And I find it really exciting and really fun, and I really hope that you will as well. We're going to get started with a little video that will introduce you to some of these big ideas in physics. All of our videos, along with all the activities that we're going to be doing together, are posted in Google Classroom. Obviously, you have already gotten into Google Classroom because you have found this video. So I'm going to screen share with you and show you where exactly in the lineup the video is that I'd like you to watch now. It's only about 3 minutes long. After you watch that video, come back. After that, there'll be another video of more direct instruction by me, where we'll be talking a little bit about the language we use in science, and we'll be leading up to our next activity. So go ahead and watch that video first, and then look for the next direct instruction video. Okay, here I am screen sharing with you to show you where, let's see, is this going to work? It's not, there we go. Here we have today's agenda that you see in front of you. There's this chart we're going to do in a second. Here is the Introduction to Physics video lesson 1. It's about 3 minutes long. Go ahead and watch that now, and then I will see you back in the next direct instruction video in about 3 minutes.